Hellcat.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to compare these two watches. On my left, this is Mi Band 4, and on my right, this is Huawei Band 3 Pro. So for now, I'm going to talk about this Mi Band 4. So firstly, I want to talk about the screen. The screen of this watch is 0.95 inch, and this is AMOLED display, so it's clear. And this watch has waterproof, so you guys can bring for swimming. Moreover, this battery of this watch is 135 mAh, so you guys can use this watch up to 20 days, last for 20 days, and the charging time only 2 hours for this watch. And the system for this watch, it supports Android and also supports iOS. And this watch, the weight of this watch is 22.1 grams. And this watch, Huawei Band 3 Pro. So for this watch, the model of this Mi Band, also water resistant up to 50 meter. This also up to 50 meter. And the screen also 0.95 inch and AMOLED display also. But this watch only 100 mAh. So, and this watch battery life only 5 days. And for this watch, Huawei Band 3 Pro, the system also support iOS and Android, so you guys don't worry, iOS and Android will support. And by the way, this watch weight is 25 grams. This is a little more heavier than this watch. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you all the function one by one. So firstly, if you open the screen, you can see status. In status, you can see your steps, your distance, and the calories you burn. And next, you can see in here is heart rate. So you can check your heart rate here. Put your watch and you check your heart rate. Okay, next you can see in here, you can see workout, outdoor running, then you can see when you click the outdoor running, it will see your time, distance, and with heart rate, and it will calculate all your information when you are doing your activity. Then if you want to pause or if you want to play, you can click this for a few seconds. Click here for a few seconds, then it will pause. If you want to play, you click down here. If you want to pause or if you want to stop, click here. Then you stop up here. Stop. Okay. So if the distance or the time is short, it won't record. If not, it will record on your phone. So this is treadmill, this is cycling, this is walking, and this is freestyle and pool swimming. As I said, you can bring for swimming. You can keep your record of your swimming pool, and it will save on your device, your phone. Okay, next, weather. If you connect your Mi Band to your phone, it will show your weather. And this is notification. This also, when you connect your Mi Band to your phone, it will show notification, whether your WhatsApp or Messenger or anything, it will show your notification. You can set it in settings. This is mode is do not disturb, DND. This is do not disturb. This is alarm, it will vibrate, you can set in your phone. This is music, you can only play or pause the music, you cannot play music or you cannot save music in this Mi Band. This is stopwatch, as usual. This is timer, and this is find device. When you connect your phone with Bluetooth means you can click this and your phone will ring. You can set this in your phone. And this is Alipay. In Malaysia, you can use Alipay as a payment. Use this watch. And this is setting. You can setting the brightness, lock screen, and screen timeout. You can setting for how many seconds you want. Okay, now I'm going to go to Huawei Band 3 Pro. Okay, Huawei Band 3 Pro, first you can see in your steps. It will calculate your steps, your calories and your distance as usual. And next you can see heart rate. This also measure heart rate. Okay, next workout. This is your sleeping time. This is workout. Workout, you can see outdoor run, indoor run, outdoor walk and outdoor cycle. This have full swing and free training. Okay, next you can see near Alipay also. Mode, here you can see find phone, timer, stopwatch, brightness, reset and restart. So this is the display of your watch. You can choose both. You can change the display in the phone. I will show you later. Okay, that's it for this watch. This is message notification. Okay, that's it for this watch. You can see. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about the price. The price of this Mi Band 4 is around 120 and this watch is around 230. So if you see which one is reasonable and affordable, is Mi Band 4. This is reasonable and affordable for me because I think this watch is good enough and it lasts long. The battery lasts long up to 20 days. I use this watch and I check it reaches more than 20 days, and this watch is the battery life is less. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. If you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you want the video to be continued for part 2, I will talk about what are the settings you can do to this watch through your phone, and when you connect to your Bluetooth, what will happen and how to control this watch through your phone. And I will do more research about this watch when I do part 2. So if you want, please like, share and subscribe. Hi guys, this is my brother's channel. If you want to support him, you can subscribe his channel and he do funny moment, and you can see one of the video.
Yesterday you said tomorrow, so just do it! Make your dreams come true! Nothing is impossible! No, what are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! And his name is John C.
And this is one of the promo, and you can go see his channel. He upload full video. You can see the full video. Okay, thank you.